If your spider plant leaf tips are turning brown, it could be so many reasons, but there are 3 most common reasons responsible for this. If you understand them and fix them accordingly, you will no longer see those brown edges. So what's causing brown tips? First thing you should fix is your water quality. Too much fluoride in water can harm your spider plant and can be the reason why the tips of your spider plant leaves are turning brown. If you're using filter water, you can skip this video to next reason. Tap water contains salts, chlorine, minerals, and fluoride, all of which can build up in the soil of your plant, causing the tips of the leaves to burn and turn brown. Your spider sucks these minerals and store them at its edges. Some experts say plants try to release these minerals from their body. That's why they get stored at the last point of the plant. That is the tips of the leaves. So if you're using tap water, stop using it. Try using filter water or rainwater. I have seen the effect of tap water on my bamboo plants, corn plants, and calatheas. Plants that are sensitive to water quality or sitting in water cannot tolerate high amount of these minerals. So you know now what to do. The next thing is humidity. When humidity drops around the plant, it could also result in brown tips. In low humidity, spider plants will dry out and they will acquire brown tips. So during the summer season, you can keep the humidity level high by timely watering. It will get brown tips. If your plant getting so dry that it can no longer absorb the proper amount of water it needs. To avoid this from happening, you need to make sure you're watering it regularly. You will want to water it when the top 2 inches of the soil are dry. To maintain humidity, keep misting the plant time to time. And during the winter season, make sure to place your indoor spider plant in a room with high humidity. Use pebble tray filled with water or invest in a humidifier for your houseplant. One more thing. Make sure that your plant isn't near a vent or other draft source. Hot and cold drafts or vents lower the humidity around the plant. Very dry air can cause dehydration and browning leaf tips. This is most commonly an issue indoors in the winter when the heaters are running and the air is very dry. So keep an eye on that and move your plant. Another common reason responsible for brown leaf tips is excessive amount of sunlight. Overexposure to direct sun will burn your plant's leaves and baby spider plants and cause brown tips. Place your plant in a place that has access to bright, indirect, or filtered light. It will grow happily without forming any brown tips. And over-fertilization can also cause brown tips. If you think this is the reason, stop fertilizing for a bit. You can get rid of excess fertilizer by flushing out the plant's soil with running water. This will get out all the excess nutrient salts. Another question you ask in the comments that should I cut the brown tips off my spider plant? Yes, definitely. There is no use of that. It's not gonna get green again. Prune them with sharp scissors. Just don't cut them straight. Cut them in a triangular leaf shape as you can see in the video. If your spider plant leaves are turning yellow, watch this video on the screen and subscribe for more houseplants care videos. Give this video a like if you learned something from it.